We're out here pressure washing using this surface cleaner from Tool Daily. It's 7 o'clock at night, but it's so easy. It doesn't take that long to do, so we were going to finish the driveway. Pops right on. Just got to go over this in just a minute. Alright, here's where the sea was a while ago. You'll have to slow down some. In some places you may actually have to go back over a few times with this, or even get out the wand if it needs a little bit of extra elbow grease.
Yeah, the slower you would use it, the more deep clean you would have.
I was going to tell you to show me the underneath it.
You see the swirling around? It's got jets where your water comes out of all along the bottom of it, and it's what cleans your concrete. And it's got a bristle broom on the edges to get the loose debris.
Okay. Hey, stop it for a second. So what do you think about it?
I love it. It's a lot easier to use than just your traditional one. It's a time saver. It's a lot. It's just kind of effortless. I mean, it works easy. It does a great job. Wish I'd had one a long time ago. You can also use it on your deck. Make it revive your older wood. You can use it on your deck.
That's what we got to do. We've got to re-stain our deck. And look, my feet are clean. They're clean. Show the edge, doing the edge right here. People had questions on the edges last time. So see that wheel is just kind of hanging off. But it got right along the edge. And this is where the rotten was. We'll rinse it off in a minute. And here it is after he's rinsed it off, just for you guys to see. What a difference. What a difference.
You had some questions in the last video about the edge. All you got to do is just kind of hang your wheel over a little bit. And then you can get the edge. That's all you got to do.
He's rinsing it so you can just see how it looks. We want to be able to show you guys how well it works. There we go. And thanks for watching. And just remember, we are not professionals here.
No, maybe.